Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss MCQs of metal nitrosyl and their derivatives. First of all, many transition metals react with dash to give metal nitrosyl. Nitric oxide, acid, base, halides. The answer is A. Nitric oxide. The nitric oxide has how many unpaired electrons? 2, 3, 1, 0. The answer is C. 1. When bonding electrons remove, the bond order increase from 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, 3.6 to 4, 4 to 4.5. The answer is A. 2.5 to 3. NO usually behave as so it donates 1 electron, 2 electrons, 3 electrons, 4 electrons. The answer is C. 3 electrons. NO plus electrons followed by a coordination of NO plus electrons, none of above. The answer is B. NO plus, which is isoelectronic with CO and Cn minus. NO plus CO, Cn, Cl. The answer is A. NO plus. Because NO plus is the nitrosyl ion, the product containing nitric and carbon monoxides are called carbonyl nitrosyl oxidized reduction halides. The answer is nitrosyl carbonyl. The attachment of NO plus ion to the metal atoms take place through O atoms, N atom, E, NO. The answer is B. N atom yani nitrogen atom. NO plus is also called as nitrosyl cation, nitrosyl anion, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. The answer is A. Nitrosyl cation. Nitrosyl complexes are deeply colored, varying from deep pink to yellow, deep brown to green, deep red to brown, deep orange to red. The answer is C. Deep red to brown. NO plus ions act as acid, base, ligand, buffers. The answer is C. Ligands. Metal nitrosyl formed by the action of metals on NO, CO, O, and N. The answer is A. NO. Nitrosyl is prepared by the action of halogens on nitrosyl carbonyl NOON. The answer is A. Nitrosyl carbonyl. Metal carbonyl nitrosyls are treated with acid, base, buffer, ligands. The answer is D. Ligands. The attachment of NO plus ion to the metal atom take place through O atom, N atom, electron, NO. The answer is B. N atom. NO usually behave as so it donate 1 electron, 2 electrons, 3 electrons, 4 electrons. The answer is C. 3 electrons. Which group is replaced with ligands? CO, NO, Fe, none of above. The answer is A. CO. Many carbonyl nitrosyl when treated with halogens are converted into carbonyl halides, nitrosyl halides, buffer oxidizing agents. The answer is B. Nitrosyl halides. Mononuclear complex formed by the reaction of nitrosyl halide with ligands, acids, base, none of above. The answer is A. Ligands. Nitrosyl is prepared by the action of halogens on nitrosyl carbonyl, NO, oxygen or nitrogen. The answer is A. Nitrosyl carbonyl. Nitric oxide is bonded to the metal by 1-way, 2-way, 3-way and 4-way. The answer is C. 3-way. The nitrosyl cation is isoelectronic with carbonyl, carbon monoxide, oxygen, nitrogen. The answer is B. Carbon monoxide. The bond order of nitrosyl is 1.5 to 2.5, 3. The answer is C. 2.5. The bond order of anion is 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2. The answer is D. 2. Metal dinitrogen complex are the coordinating compound that contain dinitrogen ligands, mononitrogen ligands, buffer, none of these. The answer is A. Dinitrogen ligands. Dinitrogen complex formed from compounds contain chain of carbon atoms, nitrogen atom, oxygen atom, halogen atom. The answer is B, nitrogen atoms. The structure of M-dinitrogen complex can mainly be classified into two categories, three categories, four categories, five categories. The answer is A, two categories. The nitrosyl cation serve as a 2-electron donor to the acid base metal known of above. The answer is C, metals. Nitric oxide is bonded to the metal by 1-way, 2-way, 3-way, 4-way. The answer is C, 3-way. The nitrosyl also accepts electron from metal by back bonding oxidation reduction known of above. The answer is A, back bonding. The formal description of nitric oxide as NO+, NO2, NO3, all of these. The answer is A, NO+. In an alternative description, nitric oxide serve as 3-electron donor acceptor compounds, all of above. The answer is A, electron donor. The MnO unit is nitrosyl complex is usually bent, linear, triplets, all of these. The answer is B, linear. The MnO bond angle can be strongly deviate from 60 degree, 120 degree, 180 degree to 40 degree. The answer is C, 180 degree. Dinitrogen complex formed from compound contain chains of carbon atom, nitrogen atom, oxygen atom, halogen atom. The answer is B, nitrogen atom. Linear and bent NO ligands can be distinguished using microscopy, infrared spectroscopy, UV, visible spectroscopy, light meter. The answer is B, infrared spectroscopy. Linear MnO group observed in the range 1650 1900 cm per -1, 1500 1600 cm per -1, 1800 1900 cm per -1, 1915 1918 cm per -1. The answer is A, 1615 1900 cm per -1. The formal description of nitric oxide as NO+, NO2, NO3, all of these. The answer is A, NO+. The bent nitrosyl observed in the range 1400 1450 cm per -1, 1525 1690 cm per -1, 1600 60 50 cm per -1, 1724 to 1750 cm per -1. The answer is B, 1525 1690 cm per -1. NO bond order of linear is triplet bond, double bond, single bond, all of these. The answer is A, triple bond. The MnO unit in nitrosyl complex is usually bent, linear, triple, all of these. The answer is B, linear. NO bond order for bent is single, double, triple, none of these. The answer is C, triple. The bent NO ligand is sometimes described as anion, cation, buffer, strong ligand. The answer is A, anion. In breeding nitrosyl ligands, 3 NO groups breed 1 metal center, 2 metal center, 3 metal center, all of these. The answer is B, 2 metal center. In breeding nitrosyl ligands, 1 NO group breeds 2 metal center, 1 metal center, all 3 center, none of these. The answer is C, all 3 center. Metal nitrosyl used in the formation of buffer, catalyst, acid base. The answer is B, acids. The nitropsoid ions has pharmaceutical application as a slow release for NOCOHCl KMNO4. The answer is A, NO. NO usually behave as so it donates 1 electron, 2 electrons, 3 electrons, 4 electrons. The answer is C, 3 electrons. Which is isoelectronic with CO and Cn minus, NO plus, CO, CnCl. The answer is A, NO plus. Nitrosyl is prepared by the action of halogens on nitrosyl carbonyl, NOO, and the answer is A, nitrosyl carbonyl. The lecture is done here. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.